one of the primary concerns of the government is to empower women of India and make them Atmanirbhar. Keeping the welfare of women in mind, the government of India has launched various schemes, initiatives to assist in their development in all spheres of life. And Udyogini scheme is one such scheme that provides financial assistance to building entrepreneurs in the rural heart and underdeveloped areas of India. Jai Jinendra, my name is Nirmal Kumar Jain and today we are going to discuss about Udyogini scheme. So let's start with it. The Government of India under Women Development Corporation has launched the Udyogini scheme for Indian women entrepreneurs. The scheme encourages poor women entrepreneurs with financial assistance to start their own business. Under this scheme, these women entrepreneurs can avail of liberal loans for starting their business activities under different categories. The Udyogini schemes aims to enable women to become financially independent and support their families in rural or backward areas of our country. Under this scheme, the government has directed financial institutions, including banks, to provide interest-free loans or with very limited amount of interest of loans to women belonging to different sections of the society without any prejudice or preferences. So how does this scheme work? Which scheme? Udyogini scheme. The Udyogini scheme is meant to harness women entrepreneurship potentially by providing customized loans in rural or underdeveloped areas of India. This scheme is simple and follows some simple steps. First one, women from targeted areas are given the necessary skills and customized business services. Second one, with adequate funding sanction focus shifts on increased productions. Third one, increased income from operations. Fourth one, active women participation in decision making. And one of the major features of this loan is this aims to provide financial help to women in establishing their small businesses. So, if you want to establish a small business, and this financial institution can help. Or these are more liberal in funding women belonging to special categories such as widows, destitute and disabled or accorded special privileges. Women under special categories get interest-free loans under this scheme. You would be wondering how much loan can I get? 50,000? 1 lakh? 2 lakh? 3 lakh? Or how much? Under this scheme you can get up to a maximum of 3 lakh. So let's discuss what are the eligibility criteria. So as the Udyogini scheme is for women, then the person who applies for the loan should also be a woman. And the age should be minimum of 18 years and maximum up to 55 years. And their annual income should not be more than 1.5 lakh. Means the annual income can be up to 1.5 lakh or lesser than that. And also there is no collateral required in taking up of loan. Means you should not. There is no necessity that you should give some security for that loan amount. And it is majorly also focused on for widows and disabled women. Also, processing fees is also nil. You got to know the eligibility criteria. Now, how to apply? Like what are the documents you need? First one, you need some 2 passport size photos, Aadhaar card, a letter written by local MLA or local MP on their letter pad, and BPL card photocopy, caste certificate if you are SC or ST, and your income proof, that is your income is up to 1.5 lakh or less than that 1.5 lakh, photocopy of your bank passbook. So you got to know about the eligibility criteria, what are the documents required, how much loan I can get. Now, like what type of industries are covered? Like whatever I work, can I open a nuclear plant? No, nothing. Okay, there are some industries which are covered, and there are a totally of 88 small scale industries are covered in this. So if women who chooses any work under those 88 small scale industry will be eligible to get this loan. What are those? Agarbatti manufacturing, energy, food, radio and TV services, bakeries, edible oil trade, leaf cup manufacturing and etc. The whole list is displayed on the screen. If your business falls under these categories, then you can also apply for the loan to the bank. Also, while giving the loan under the Udyogini scheme, they also give some training to the women because skill development is a necessity to run that business. So the training includes the basics of running the business, such as business planning, how to plan the business, how to execute it, pricing, what should be the price of the products, costing, how to minimize the cost and other various things, and feasibility of the business. And one more thing, the main objective of the Udyogini scheme is to enable women to start and situate their own business, as you know. In helping them financially, the government proposes to giving a 30% subsidy on the loans extended to the women entrepreneurs. This further helps in easing the financial burden of repayment of the loan to the banks. So, this scheme mainly supports to poor and illiterate women in rural areas and helps them become financially independent through financial attendance and imparting some skills training. So if any women who has some entrepreneurial quality and who have some skills and who need of financial assistance, and if they meet under this eligibility criteria, do help them and make aware them about this scheme, so they can also get benefit of this government schemes, because government implements various schemes, but sometimes the scheme doesn't reaches to those people because lack of knowledge. So be a good citizen of our country and do share. Like maybe they don't have the YouTube, they don't have phone, so maybe you can't share the video, but yeah, if you can, it's well and good. But you should give them advices that this is one of the scheme and you can get some loan, so you should try this, and you should motivate them to make their own businesses. And if you thought our video was good, then do hit the like button and also share to anyone. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel for such more educational videos.